Yeah, peeps, and today, sorry about that. And today, you guys are so you guys are like mad at me, and you don't let me play gun games in my channel. You've been waiting for a lot of gaming, and I don't even do gun stuff. So, Call of Duty Ghost on the PS3. Call of Duty Black Ops 2, Black Ops on the Xbox 360.
Can you please get out there and
Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 on the PlayStation 3, and Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 Xbox 360. And like and subscribe.